Welcome back to TechNova AI, your daily dose of the craziest and smartest updates from the world of AI and tech. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because today's stories are absolutely mind-blowing. Artificial intelligence just took another huge leap. OpenAI has revealed a next-gen model that can talk, see, and even respond with emotions in real time. Yeah, you heard that right, AI can now sound almost human. Experts are calling it the biggest upgrade since ChatGPT's launch. Apple and Google are secretly teaming up for an AI-powered privacy system that blocks hidden tracking apps. No more sneaky data collection. Your phone might finally be smarter and safer. Looks like these tech giants are learning from their mistakes. And here's the wildest one: Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, just completed a real factory test. It assembled parts completely on its own, no human needed. Looks like Elon Musk's robot army dream is turning into reality. So, are we ready for this new AI-powered future? Or is it moving too fast for humanity to handle? Tell us what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic AI updates. This is TechNova AI, where the future begins today.